Hey everybody, this is PJ Pressure Washing Handyman and Lawn Care Services, and I'm fixing to put some stuff on this tub. It's got some cracks in it. I don't know if you can see them very well, but first I'm fixing to add, because there, if you can see right here, it has some big cracks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some the JB weld first, you know, to hold that together pretty good, and then I'm gonna try what they say will keep, you know, leaks and stuff like that out, stop leak stuff, but it's a flex seal, and I'm fixing to put the JB weld on there first, and then after that, then I will add the in like 24 or 48 hours I'll put the flex seal on top of that, after sanding and all that. And I'm fixing to mix the stuff now and put the phone here. And go ahead and make sure I wipe it down really well with a dry rag. Where'd the paper towels go? Make sure that I get it really good and dry, because it ain't gonna stick if it's wet. And I'm fixing to cut this short on this video and put some light on here. I just want to make sure that everything's dry before I apply anything. Let's see here. Alright, let me feel this and see if it's pretty well dry. Oh, felt a little piece of something. Can't have that. What I might do is let it dry for about another hour or so, and then come back in and put the stuff, because it seems like it's still a little moist. Alright, so I'm fixing to mix this JB weld together, and then we can go from there. Go ahead and put the hardener and just mix that much for now. mix it until it turns like a grayish color. Try to smooth it as much as we can, so it's not a lot of sanding. Mix some more. Mix some more so we can finish the rest of them. Oh, lay that in there. Sorry you can't see the second mixing, but just trying to get it done here. Got some more cracks at the back.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Somebody trying to mess up my video, I reckon. It ought to be about the same amount.
In between those two.
Yeah.
With a yellow looking.
Yeah, that's why I mixed some more. Get it out of that.
Says the temperature on your phone is too high. Device temperature is too high. The camera will exit, sir. But it's not yet.
Hate that. And this is what it looks like with the stuff on it. And we're gonna let this set, this right here set for 24, 48 hours until it hardens. Then we're gonna come in here and then I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down, you know, smooth, where it's not, you know, so rigid and that. And then I will apply the Flex Seal, and I will be painting that in. And I will do some more filming on it. And I'm gonna try to fill that in with some Flex Seal so it don't have like a complete side drop down. I don't know if you can see how it has a lip right there, but it catches water and holds it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and kind of fill that in over here.